I recently purchased the Yokefellownail electric nail polisher, and I must say it has exceeded my expectations. As someone who loves to have well-manicured nails, I'm always on the lookout for products that can help me achieve salon-quality results at home. This electric nail polisher has certainly made the process much easier and more enjoyable. It fits comfortably in my hand, allowing for precise control and maneuverability. The lightweight construction ensures that my hand doesn't tire quickly, even during lengthier manicure sessions. The Yokefellownail electric nail polisher comes with different speed settings, which is perfect for tailoring the intensity to my needs. The low speed setting is great for shaping and buffing the nails, while the high speed setting is ideal for polishing and giving them a smooth, glossy finish. I appreciate the versatility this provides, as it caters to different nail types and personal preferences. The nail polisher also includes various interchangeable heads, each designed for a specific purpose. The buffer and shiner heads work exceptionally well in preparing the nails and bringing out their natural shine. The polishing heads, on the other hand, create a flawless finish and enhance the overall appearance of the nails. I found the Yokefellownail electric nail polisher to be efficient in delivering professional-looking results. It significantly reduces the time and effort required for achieving a well-groomed manicure. One minor drawback I encountered was that the noise level is slightly higher than I expected, but it's not overly distracting or bothersome. Overall, the Yokefellownail electric nail polisher is a reliable and efficient tool for maintaining beautiful nails. It offers convenience, versatility, and delivers satisfying results. If you're someone who enjoys doing your nails at home or desires a professional finish without the salon visit, this electric nail polisher is definitely worth considering.